In LivaNova's internship program, students are involved in constant learning as they develop professionally and personally.
I was able to step in and be a part of usability testing. It was very hands-on experience, and it was also personal because of the one-on-one interaction with the patients.
I've really enjoyed the internship experience and learned so much while working with the company, and I have a lot of new and important skills that I can highlight on my resume.
Our interns join a people-orientated company with a caring and supportive community. Seasoned experts introduce them to the medtech industry.
We're all like one team, just trying to work towards the common goal of just making the company operate better.
I had the opportunity to speak with people in different departments and roles, so I just feel that I have a much better understanding of the industry as a whole.
Interns dive into real-world projects, gaining valuable insights into the design, development, testing, manufacturing, and marketing of medical devices.
And developed an AI tool that would query data from clinical study data sets, and we can ask it any question related to the data set, so anyone could use the tool without knowing the querying languages.
This is the time to learn in order for you to develop these new skills. Dip your feet into waters that you didn't imagine, stepping in.
Experience work that matters with a LivaNova internship.